Hello friends, I am Anwesha and I welcome all of you to my channel Aspiring Banker Anwesha. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. So IBPS Clerk Mains examination is over. Now let's gear up for IBPS Clerk Preliminary examination. Of course, you have to continue your preparation for your IBPS PO Mains examination. There is no doubt. And those of you who have your supplementary examinations of IBPS PO Prelims and your RRB PO Prelims, yes, you have to continue with those preparations as well. And those preparations can go hand in hand with your IBPS Clerk Preliminary exam preparation. So with new enthusiasm, let's begin our preparation. In today's video, I'll be solving a few questions of English for your IBPS Clerk Preliminary examination. All these questions are taken from a good mock test and from their free test. Okay, so let's start this video. This is the first question. In the following question, a sentence is given with a phrase highlighted in bold. So here you can see a phrase highlighted in bold. Select the option given below that can replace the phrase in bold to make the sentence grammatically and contextually correct and mark that as your answer. If the sentence is correct as it is, mark no improvement as the answer. The question means here you have a phrase highlighted in bold. Okay. If you find this phrase to be incorrect, please find out the correct one from the options. Okay, but if you find this phrase to be correct, then mark the last option no improvement. Okay, so in these types of questions, you have to look for grammatical errors. Okay, fine. So let's solve this question now. The onset of the Second World War showed that the League have failed in its primary purpose, which was to prevent any future world war. Okay. The onset of the Second World War showed that the League, this word League, this is a noun. Okay. How do I know? How do I know that? Because just before this, an article is present. Articles are a, an, or the. Okay. And just after the article, you can either have adjective plus noun or adverb plus adjective plus noun or simply noun. Okay, so here this is a noun. Okay, so this is a noun. Now if you look at the sentence, the onset of the Second World War showed that the League showed, this is in V2, right? So, and again if you look at this part, was past. So can we say that the sentence is in simple past tense? Yes, the sentence is in simple past tense. Okay, so this verb have is wrong here. Instead of have, we have to use had. Okay, had. Fine. So has is incorrect. Had. Okay. Now the next thing is, please remember this rule, has plus has, have or had. With these three, always V3 is used. That is third form of the verb is used. Okay. Here in this one, you have first form of verb. So this is incorrect. Okay. Here you have apostrophe. Apostrophe, this, what is the meaning of this? This means it is. And what is the meaning of this? This shows possession. Okay. Here what do we want to represent? We want to represent possession in its primary purpose. Whose primary purpose? Primary purpose of the league. So a possession is there, possession of the league regarding the primary purpose, right? So here it is wrong. Okay, so the right answer is option C, had failed in its attempt. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Mexico attempted to create a buffer zone at the border that would prevent possible invasion from the north. Okay, so here Mexico is a singular noun, name of a country, singular noun. Okay, so attempt is wrong here. Okay, why? Because attempt is a plural verb, so attempt is wrong. Again here you have attempt, so this is again wrong. Okay, now let's move to the next rule. Please note down the rules while I am solving these questions. Okay, please note down the rules. These rules are very important. The next rule is 2 plus V1. Remember this, 2 plus V1 infinitive form. Okay, so here attempted to create, created is wrong. Okay, attempted to create. Mexico attempted to create, so option D is your answer. Okay, creation is a noun, but you need a verb and also in its first form, so B is incorrect. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Infected people were separated to prevent the spread of disease among the ancient Israelites as recorded in the Old Testament. Okay, now in this part, so what did I tell you in the first question? It is after the, you need a noun, right? Either a noun directly or adjective plus noun or adverb plus adjective plus noun. Yes, so here you need a noun, but spreaded is a verb, so this is incorrect. Okay, so the noun form of spreaded is spread. So the spread of disease. Okay, infected people were suspected to prevent the spread of disease among the ancient Israelites. Okay, Israelites. So there were many. Israelites means what? People who belong to Israel. Many. Here we are talking about many Israelites. So when we talk about two, we use between. Okay. When we talk about more than two, we use among. Also we use between when we talk about more than two, but the names are specified. Please remember these, okay? Fine. Like a match will be played between South Korea, China and India. Not match, make it a tournament. Okay, so here we have more than two countries. South Korea, China, India, 3 countries, but we are using between. Why? Because the names are specified. Okay, but if I say, one second please, sorry, but if I say a tournament will be played dash Asian countries. Here I am not specifying the name of the countries, and there are many Asian countries. The names are also not specified. That's why I'll use among. Okay, among the Asian countries. Fine. Okay, so let's come to the question now. There are many Israelites, right? There are many. So here among should be used. The spread of disease among is correct. The spread of disease between is wrong. The spread OFF is wrong. It should be O single F. The spread, a spread of disease. No, to prevent the spread, because here we are talking about a specific spreading. Okay. So that's why this is wrong. We have to use the definitive form, the definitive article. Okay. Fine. Now let's move to the next question. Here we have a question on fillers. Ancient paintings in the museum are incredibly well dash. Incredibly well dash. Okay. What is well? Well is an adverb. Okay. So here you need a verb, either a verb or an adjective or an adverb. Okay. Let's see. Ancient paintings in the museum are incredibly well. Now from this, incredibly means what? Extremely. Extremely. Well means what? In a good way, right? So from this part, what do you understand about this, about the sentence? It is positive. It gives you a positive sense, right? Positive sense. So here also you need a positive word. Okay. So the paintings are incredibly well looked after. What is the meaning of looked after? To look after, this is a phrasal verb. To look after. Look after means to take care of. One should look after one's elderly parents, which means one should take care of one's elderly parents. Now here comes one question. This word ends in ly, but this is an adjective. Elderly means senior. Okay, fine. So look after means to take care of. So paintings are incredibly well looked after. This is correct. Incredibly well taken care of. This is correct. Incredibly well let into. This is wrong. What is the meaning of let into? Let into means allow to enter. Okay. So like if I say strangers were not let into the, one second. Strangers were not let into the party hall. Okay. So this means strangers were not allowed to enter. Allowed to enter. Okay, fine. So 3 does not make any sense in the context of this sentence. So 3 is incorrect. So the right answer is 1 and 2, option E. Okay, so with this I'll end the session today. If you have liked the video, if you have enjoyed this session, then please give me a thumbs up. Please hit the like button. Please comment down below if you have enjoyed this session, and also please share the video with your friends. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.